Hey guys, thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Josh and you're watching C3S Garage. 2025 is the year of carbon fiber for me. We're adding carbon fiber on everything, on every car that I can. So today I'm gonna be adding a piece of carbon fiber that's gonna make a huge difference on how your car looks. As I mentioned, I am looking at a piece of carbon fiber that has an amazing pattern to it. I really like the pattern that they have going on. It's really nice because it's not your typical carbon fiber pattern, but it just looks so nice. And I think it goes hand in hand with Tesla's new pattern, which is like dots all over the place. So I think this is gonna be an amazing addition. Tesla Model 3 does not have any carbon fiber. Rather, it has a piece of fabric. It's kind of gray, it's kind of bland, it's kind of meh. So why not we give it the performance treatment and make sure that it has carbon fiber on the inside. Alrighty, removing this piece is super easy. We're gonna use our prying tool. This part is being held up by nothing but clips. So there's no screws, there's no tape, just clips. I will point out that some of the clips did take a little bit of effort to remove, but don't worry, this is all plastic, so nothing is gonna break. And I just wanna give a quick glimpse on the interior of this car, or the insides. This is where the AC controls are at and where the movement and the magic happens within the AC system. Be sure to check that your clips are all in the place where they're supposed to be at. And doing a quick side-by-side comparison, you can tell that the measurements are exactly the same. However, Tesla's OEM piece has this weird fabric. It's like this BS eco fabric that no one cares for. I personally hate it, and it's pretty much just laid up on top of plastic. Looking at Teststudio's actual carbon fiber piece, you can tell that it is an amazing piece of equipment here. This is a night and day difference. On the bottom part, you'll have all your clips laid out on top of the carbon fiber. And on the main part, you have this really cool pattern that the Tesla comes with. Adding the carbon fiber dash is just as simple as laying it on top, making sure that the clips align, and snapping it to the car. And I love punching things just for good measure. And as always, I want to go ahead and erase any fingerprints from the crime scene to make sure that it looks beautiful for the next portion of the video. All right, guys, seems like we're all done with our brand new carbon fiber dash. This looks amazing. The AC works just as it should, and it just gives the car such a sporty look, especially with this white on black minimalistic kind of style of car that we're looking at right now. I think the carbon fiber dash just gives it a bit more of an appropriate sporty look rather than having a piece of fabric that looks like a piece of cloth on top of your car. With that being said, I wanted to give a huge shout out to Tesstudio for providing us with this amazing piece of carbon fiber. It just looks so amazing. I am very in love with it. And I want to thank you guys for always keeping up with my channel, watching my videos, liking and subscribing, as well as telling your friends about how to do these things. With that being said, if you guys are interested in watching more of my videos, feel free to browse around, like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.